Here's our project for today. Hammer wants to get on blasting this. I showed you all this truck. Bring her back to life. Little International, fully automatic. I got all that off getting painted. Always got something going on. Hammer was dying to sandblast this. Old unit's gonna get on it. Show them how to do it, Hammer. You know, I could jump in there and do it, but if I did that, how's he gonna learn? He's never gonna learn if he don't get on the business end of the you know. If I want to jump in there and do that, it looks like so much fun, he'll never learn unless I let him just take over. I enjoy it. Maybe he will too. He'll enjoy it tonight when he's chewing sand. Oh, pretty and nasty. He's going better than I expected. It's the opposite of painting. It's de-painting. Jesus. Get roasted. Videos you see online where people are sandblasting look so effortless and easy and fun. I assure you it's not that way. How'd you like blasting?
I liked it.
You did. I don't mind it. If you had the right setup with the cool air yeah, I don't mind if you had the right setup with the cool air intake for the helmet. It wouldn't be bad. But like always, we never have what we need to get the job done correctly. We just got what we need to get by. Yeah, we'll paint that thing. I said I'm just gonna roll it on that Rust-Oleum. I've searched all the time, epoxy paints for bed and all that stuff. Check this out. I rolled that Rust-Oleum on here and I hit that with the blaster. Look, that's just as good as anything. I know it's 60 bucks or 90 bucks a gallon now, but actually I got it on sale for 50. And I hit that with a blaster and it's still on there. So what's that tell you? Rust-Oleum's a good product. Well, to the next fun adventure, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I definitely got to blow that air filter out. A bunch of sand went down in that. Stay tuned for the progress on this thing. It's going to be a nice little product, a little truck. Maybe you can even drive it.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll get that demo. We'll get you home with some debris. Hopefully Nick gets the other stuff painted pretty quick. We'll get the cab knocked out. And I talked to my buddy Kevin that did all my work on the other stuff here, and he said he'll help me with that hood. It had some sort of bracing in there. I'll tell you what, it was so bad. I about whiz-wheeled it, but it was in a bind, and man, if it had been in there, it took your head off when I got it off. But stay tuned. Man, look at this. Cats everywhere, equipment. Paradise. If you love doing what we do.